Spanky, where's your Mr. Bill? Go get your Mr. Bill. Good boy. Here, give it to me. Leave it. Mr. Bill. Come here. Spank, where's your turkey? Go get your turkey. Go get your turkey. Go get your turkey. Good boy. Is that a turkey? Give me that turkey. That's a turkey. Alright, Spank. Spank, where's your Woodstock? Go get your Woodstock. That's a good boy. Woodstock. Is that a Woodstock? Yes, it is. Spank, where's your crab? Go get your crab. Where's your crab? Go get it. That's a good boy. That's a crab. Look at those crab. Okay, Spank. Where's your raccoon? Go get your raccoon. That's a good boy. That's a raccoon. Is that? Here, let me see it. Give it to me. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, it's a raccoon, all right. See it? That's a good boy. Give me a high five. Good boy.